Hello friend, in this short video you will learn everything about the tablet Lenovo Yoga Tab 11 in a couple of minutes. Let's go. The tablet runs on the Android platform. It is suitable for various purposes, including games, as it is equipped with an 8-core processor, 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal memory. The memory can be expanded with a card up to 512 GB. The screen diagonal is 11 inches, and the resolution is 2000*1200, so all movies, games, images are bright, rich and clear. The device supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you can transfer files to other devices and receive them without wires and direct connections. Front and rear cameras of 8 megapixels each, thanks to which you can take quite tolerable photos, and for social networking and video communication, these cameras are enough for your eyes. The gadget has other useful features such as accelerometer, gyroscope, light sensor, face unlock. The case is made of durable metal, resistant to scratches and damage. On a single charge, the tablet works up to 15 hours with active use. Comes with a stainless steel stand. This concludes the review. Bye bye.